Imagine staring blankly at the ceiling as the clock strikes 3 in the morning, deciding firmly that sleep is a luxury you simply cannot afford to take tonight. You have urgent professional deadlines to meet every single night. Glowing screens lighting up the heavy darkness, and an endless, exhausting stream of anxious thoughts racing rapidly through your mind. You think staying awake for a few extra hours is completely harmless, just a temporary and minor sacrifice of valuable time. But the moment you cross the critical period of 24 hours without ever closing your tired eyes, a silent, terrifying descent begins deep inside your biology. The human body requires sleep not as a passive rest, but as a mandatory, aggressive maintenance cycle, where the brain actively washes away cellular toxins and repairs somatic damage. Depriving it of this vital reset triggers a horrifying, cascading collapse of your neurological stability, your immune defenses, and your core sanity over the course of just 72 hours of total exhaustion. When you reach 24 hours without sleep, your body panics and initiates a desperate chemical compensation strategy to survive the strain. Your adrenal glands flood your bloodstream with massive, unnatural spikes of cortisol and adrenaline, trying to keep you artificially alert against your natural biology. Your blood pressure rises noticeably, and your cells begin developing acute insulin resistance, struggling to process glucose properly and efficiently. Inside your brain, synaptic activity starts to stutter and misfire under the immense pressure. The prefrontal cortex, the seat of complex reasoning, judgment, and emotional control, begins to lose its tight grip on reality. You might feel a strange, hollow euphoria at first, but your reaction times are already matching the impairment levels of legal alcohol intoxication. Your eyes burn, your focus fractures into pieces, and microscopic lapses called micro-sleeps begin to hijack your brain for fractions of a second without your conscious permission or awareness. As you push past 36 and approach 48 hours of total, unrelenting wakefulness, your internal chemistry turns intensely hostile. Your immune system, starved of its essential recovery window, undergoes a drastic reduction in natural killer cell activity, leaving your physical defenses crippled against everyday pathogens. Your core body temperature drops slightly, and your metabolism misfires completely, driving an intense, frantic craving for high-calorie, highly sugary foods as your starving cells scream desperately for immediate quick fuel. Your exhausted body is now in a state of severe physiological stress, treating the profound lack of rest as a direct physical trauma that threatens your survival. Furthermore, your psychological state begins to fracture even further as fatigue accumulates. Small tasks become monumental obstacles, and your emotional stability wears thin with every passing minute of wakefulness. By 60 hours, your exhausted brain starts an aggressive, desperate process of cellular pruning. Microglial cells, which function as the critical immune cells of the central nervous system, begin overactively consuming and destroying your own vital neural connections through a bizarre process called phagocytosis, essentially starting to eat away at your delicate synaptic pathways because they mistakenly flag them as damaged tissue. Paranoia sets in heavily and uncomfortably. You may experience full visual or auditory hallucinations, believing things are moving quickly in the dark shadows, or hearing faint voices that do not exist anywhere around you. Your short-term memory evaporates entirely into static noise, and your conscious identity feels as though it is dissolving behind a thick, suffocating wall of heavy cognitive fog that completely blocks out the external truth and reality. The strain becomes unbearable for your fragile mind. When you finally hit the harrowing 72-hour mark, you have crossed permanently and irreversibly into an absolute somatic and psychological emergency of the highest order. Your brain is no longer functioning on any normal human baseline or logical structure. It is forcing itself violently into spontaneous, uncontrollable micro-sleep episodes while your wide-open eyes stare blankly, plunging you directly into waking nightmares and terrifying, transient, psychotic states. Your heart rate becomes erratic and dangerous, severe physical hand tremors develop rapidly, and your entire cognitive processing is completely shattered into irreparable pieces. You are no longer fully present in the real world or capable of coherent thought. The organic machine has completely run out of vital oil. The metal gears are grinding against each other with zero lubrication, and the human body is desperately begging for the one thing you so recklessly denied it: the deep, restorative, absolute, and unconditional darkness of healing sleep that can rescue your rapidly failing sanity from the terrifying edge of total and final annihilation right now, before it is completely too late to turn back ever.